Dear students, very good afternoon. Hope you all are fine. Today's our offline class is about mutation. What is mutation? Mutation can be defined as a sudden, discontinuous variation in genotype and phenotype of an organism due to change in chromosomes and genes. In addition to recombination, mutation is another phenomenon that leads to variation in DNA. Depending upon the cause, mutations are of three types. These three types include number one, gene mutation, number two, chromosomal aberrations, number three, genomatic mutation. Now, number first, gene mutation. It is alteration of DNA due to change in nucleotide sequence. Gene mutation may occur due to change in a single base pair of DNA known as point mutation. A classical example of point mutation is sickle cell anemia. Change in more than one nucleotide pair is called gross mutation. Gene mutation occurs by following methods. Number one, frame shift mutation. It includes deletion and insertion or addition. Deletion. Deletion is the removal of one or more bases from nucleotide chain. Number second, insertion or addition. Addition of one or more bases in a nucleotide chain. Then second is substitution, the replacement of one base by another. It is of two types. One is transition and number second is transversion. Transition. When a purine base ARG is substituted by another purine base or pyrimidine base TRC is substituted by another pyrimidine base. Transversion. Substitution of a purine base with a pyrimidine base or vice versa. Gene mutation may occur naturally and automatically due to internal reason. They are named as spontaneous mutations. However, they are produced by external physical or chemical factors. These factors are named as mutagens that are used to create induced mutations. Number second type of mutation is chromosomal aberration. Chromosomes are made up of proteins, DNA and RNA. Each chromatid possesses one DNA helix that runs continuously from one end to the other. In chromatids, DNA is present in a highly supercoiled form. Therefore, loss, that is deletions, or gain, that is insertion or duplication of a segment of DNA results in alteration in chromosomes. We know that genes are located on chromosomes so that alteration in chromosomes results in abnormalities or aberrations. These are commonly observed in cancer cells. The important aberrations are as follows. Number one, deletion. Deletion occurs when a part of the chromosome is lost. It can be divided into two types: terminal and intercalary. Terminal deletion is the loss of a terminal segment of a chromosome and is produced by a single break in the chromosome. During intercalary deletion, there is the loss of an intercalary segment of a chromosome due to double break. This is the terminal deletion wherein you can see the segments A, B, C, D, F, G, H. It provides A, B, C, D, E, and G is deleted there. H is also deleted there. In the interstitial or intercalary deletion, you can see yourself in the given figure, that is showing the deletion. Now we have duplication. Duplication occurs due to addition of a part of chromosome so that a gene or set of genes is represented twice. The figure is itself self-explanatory in showing the duplication. PQRSTU, you can see PQRS, RS is again there, it is twice, then TU. Rest will be in our next offline class.